As darkness bluffs its reign, a light shines brightest upon the world. Prologue. A new era dawns in the land of Delusia. The 5 great kingdoms of Delusia, Amora, Boraveth, Glowiand, Larathian, and Zasa, stand stagnant. They are vulnerable to forces long forgotten, both good and evil. Demonic influence seeps into the world once again, unseen and ignored. Divinity plays its cards carefully and quietly, its foremost bastions corrupted by darkness. Elves from Nigok threaten the eastern border of Delusia once more, the ancient enemies of both man and dwarf, growing stronger. Boraveth continually besieges Amora through constant raids and incursions, yet the Amorian king Theodric stands silent, proposing peace. Amora is divided between those who would stand still and those who would lash out. The time draws near for the forces of the divine to make their first move in many long years. An ancient prophecy has been revealed to a select few, and heroes have been set in motion. Great schemes and plans on both sides of good and evil come slowly into fruition, but how long until it all falls apart? Amora's princes, John and Cain, stand to create 2 sides of a powerful coin that turns and twists to the forces of fate itself. Both good and evil plot and plan their schemes for the 2 brothers, their challenges and tribulations great. However, it has been found that mortal men can be cautious and clever beings, and with one wrong step, the most elaborate plots and most clever of plans can crumble, leaving only chaos and a greater destiny in their wake. Of course, ancient forces know, and primordial beings ask, when did anything go exactly according to plan? Sometimes the greatest events in history happen by accident, or they merely repeat a legend of the past. Then again, who's to say someone or something hasn't been behind it all along?